Alright, today we're taking a look at the Roav Dashcam C2. I just picked this up for myself. It was on a Amazon flash sale. I believe it was, what, 105 bucks. Normally they're around 150. This one's made by Anker. I use a lot of their charging products. They're also available at like Walmart and stuff like that. I don't believe these dash cams are. I picked this one, like I said, on Amazon. So let's just open this up. I just took the plastic wrap off, that's it. Okay. Wow, this thing is a lot smaller than I expected. Like, it is quite tiny. Which is kinda nice. I mean, it says to use at least a Class 10 SD card to avoid damage. And then on the front here, we've just got a little protector, and there's the sensor. Just gonna put that back on. Let's take a look at the top. Looks like we got a power button. Looks to be the mount bracket point, and then power, which, no, that's not focusing very well, but looks like a mini USB. And then we've got 4 buttons on the front, or sorry, on the back with the screen. SD card slot on the left side. Bottom looks to be venting. Doesn't really look to be anything too crazy. And then on the right side, there is nothing. Alright, let's tear into the box. Let's see what we got under here. Now, this one said it was supposed to include an SD card, so let's see if we find that in here. Yeah. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. It comes with a Samsung 32 gig Evo. I honestly expected this to come with, you know, some one-off knockoff brand, but it's actually pretty legit. Then you got a couple of manuals. Let's take a look and see what says. Just asking for responses. Not too crazy. And then this is the user manual. It's quite thick, but looks like only the first 13 or so pages are English. The rest is just a whole bunch of different languages. So, but it looks like a 32 gig card that comes with it should do 320 minutes at 1080p 30 FPS. So, that's pretty cool. Just kind of demoing how you mount it, and it looks like how you should run the cabling. Oh yeah, that's another important thing. You got to make sure you go and get the app from the Google store. So yeah, once I use this for a little bit, I might make a video and report back on how I like it. Pretty much all the reviews or unboxings I could find of this, it seemed like Anker sent them, the reviewer, the device. I'm not sure how much I trust those kind of reviews. This one I bought myself 100%. I just always wanted a camera, and I always liked Anker as a brand, so figured why not. And then this looks like it's the trim tuck tool. This is what you use to like feed the power wire up underneath your like headliner and stuff, so it's out of the way. And then there's your big power cable. And then this must be, I'm assuming, the mount. Yep. And then this is the mount. So let's see. So it looks like power goes in here, and then you mount this to the windshield. This mounts to the device, and then this plugs in to power the device. So that's kind of cool. It's a nice, neat little mount, and it's kind of neat because then you plug your power in here, and then that always stays there, so you can still take off the camera off the mount in this. So that is kind of neat. Luckily, in my truck, I don't need to use this because if you drive a GM vehicle that has OnStar, you have one of those fancier mirrors. A lot of times they actually sell pigtail kits that you unplug the power from that. You plug in the pigtail kit, and then it splices off an additional power wire, so you can get micro USB, so you can run a dash cam or like a radar detector, and then you don't have to run these wires. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I think they're about 15 bucks. They're available from a few different sources online, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, if there's anything else I find out, if I really like this thing, I'll definitely do a review, or if it's absolutely horrible, maybe I'll do a review too. Alright, so I figured I'd try a little power on test, and let's see what the first startup looks like. Okay, gotta set that. Looks like I'm setting time and date. So we want okay. And then English. GPS, yeah, we'll turn that on. Driving collision detection. We'll try medium, doesn't seem bad. 50 hertz or 60 hertz, because we don't want that flicker. That's where we live. Leave Wi-Fi on. Okay, format the SD card. And what do you know? It's recording. So I'll just film a few things here on my desk and kind of, yeah, sorry, I know my desk is really messy right now. Kind of going through a transition between offices. But yeah, so I'll try including the recorded captured video in here along after this, and let you guys take a look at it, because that's kind of one of the things that sold me on it on Amazon. There was a few reviews that attached the raw video from this, and it was actually pretty dang impressive. So just thought I would include that little bit. It's not very hard to get going. Literally just apply power. All right, thanks for watching.